have potential, but still, you've got a lot of maturing yet to do, Ryuan. Last I checked, you weren't my teacher, so spare me the lectures. If Class B had found proof against you, one shred of hard evidence of what you did, you'd have been screwed and you know it. If you remain at your current level, we'll never get the chance to have a rematch. So from now on, try not to be so obvious. Since I have no problem admitting you're right, I'll take your shitty advice. But remember this, one day, I'll nut in you. Don't threaten me with a good time. I'll bust in you. Next up, how about you? I'm getting out of this one. Better muster up the energy to stand up and say something, for the sake of my reputation. I'm Kiyotaka Ayanokoji. I can't wait to study with you. I'm not really good at anything in particular. I'll do my best to get along with you all. I just nodded. No, I don't care about the height. Walking this rock with a fight. Shorty like give me a bite. Baby, I don't even fight. Baby, girl, give me the light.
Hey! So, you mind coming with me for a second? There's something I want to talk about. I know this is kinda random, but I've been meaning to ask you. Are you seeing anyone right now, Ayanokoji?
Just you. No one's here.
I don't mean like who you literally see. I'm asking if you have a girlfriend or not. So, do you?
No, I don't.
Oh, that's good to hear. Why don't we exchange phone numbers? You know, since both of us are in the same class.
No, but you can get this meat. Let me be frank, Ayanokoji. I have serious doubts about your ability to pull this off. Nagumo's abusing his power. He's trying to obliterate the foundations of the school. So next year, I expect we'll see a lot of expulsions. An unprecedented number, perhaps. Interesting. And how likely is it that Nagumo will honor his promise to refrain from involving any third parties? Nagumo is unprincipled in his methods, but still, I don't believe he'd be one to break a promise. His word's good. Manabu Orikita, you might lose this one.